Thinking of joining AIM Jammu? Then stop and watch this video because Hello everyone, my name is Kanchan Rathore, a student of third year BSc Nursing from AIM Jammu. So welcome back to my channel Wings. So if you have got AIM Jammu or you are dreaming of joining AIM Jammu or looking forward to join AIM Jammu for doing the BSc Nursing, then first of all congratulations. And second thing, I would like to tell you some major points or some important details that nobody tells you before joining. So today I'm going to spill the tea for you guys. So I'll move from the easy to the difficult one. So the first point is hostel. So the first point is hostel. अब hostel में क्या? What? So you think hostel means freedom, घर से दूर जो मन आएगा वो करेंगे, but in reality मम्मी के हाथ का खाना ना यार will become your best memory which you will keep on remembering for throughout your 4 years. But yes, hostel will be your second home because you will have hostel mates, your roommates, जो कि आपकी second family बन जाएगी. But yeah, there is hostel time limits also. Like since I am in third year, so the time limit for us is like 9:30 PM or 10 PM, and it may vary from year to year. Like first year के लिए अलग, second and third year के लिए अलग. But yes, you will have to live in the hostel and hostel is compulsory. And in hostel, आपको first year में you have triple sharing for one room, and if you move to like third year and then you will get the double sharing. So it is like that. And about that rooms and वगैरह I'll make the further video. So without wasting any further time, I'll move to the second point, which is academics. So when you think or when you heard of academics, you think it's just theory. We have to go to college, we have to attend the lecture and then get back to the hostel, and that was our day. But no, that's not your day, because you know what, academics, it's a lot of burden. You have to make a lot of assignments. You know what, like आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा how your 24 hours will be like just, you know. So you will be making assignment, case study, case presentation, drug presentation or clinical postings. So your brain will be on 24/7 duty. So that is for academics. But the best part is that teachers are very knowledgeable and like वो इतना अच्छा पढ़ाएंगे ना, you will connect to the subject and they will make it easy for you. So that's the thing, that's a positive thing. Then third is, can you guess the third one? So first is hostel, that which I have already told you. The second is academics and third is clinical postings, the most asked part. So the clinical posting is like, for personally, like it is the worst and the best part of doing nursing. Why the best part? Because you know, when you first time wearing the uniform, wearing your scrubs and entering the hospital, you will feel like a main character.
झूठ बोल रहा है.
No. Like everybody is looking at you, the patient attendants is coming at you and asking, मैम ये कैसे होगा, मैम एक बार राउंड लगा लीजिए ना, मैम ये बता दीजिए, मैम ये कर दीजिए प्लीज़ ना, ये बता दीजिए. So however, being a first year student, like जब आप first year में आएंगे, you will be only knowing the vital sign और थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें. So अंदर से आवाज़ आएगी, बस अब और नहीं बता सकती मैं, अब next question मत पूछना. But yes, year by year you will get a lot of knowledge through your study and all, and then you will be able to deal with the patients and their attendants. But the worst thing is about the clinical duties. Like the worst thing is their timings. You know what? Clinical duties are from 8 to 2. And अगर गलती से कभी आपको छुट्टी मिल गई है, then 2 to 5 after the lunch is your academics and 8 to 2 is your clinical. So basically your whole schedule or the whole routine will be from 8 to 5. So अगर जैसे कि हमारे साथ ऐसा होता है अक्सर, and now we are habitual of this, that even if after the end of the year आपके फाइनल एग्जाम खत्म हो गए, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी गैप मिला है 1-2 दिन का, तो आप हॉलीडे एक्सपेक्ट मत करना. आपकी ड्यूटी लगेंगी क्लिनिकल्स which will be from 8 to 5 डायरेक्ट. ठीक है. सो क्लिनिकल पोस्टिंग आर द लाइक बेस्ट एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट बिकॉज उसमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिलता है, बट इट्स लाइक लिटरली इट्स अ बर्न आउट सिचुएशन फॉर मी लिटरली. सो दैट्स द क्लिनिकल पोस्टिंग्स एंड यू हैव टू अटेंड अ लॉट ऑफ राउंड्स. देन आपके टीचर्स आएंगे राउंड पे. अगर गलती से उन्होंने कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया आपसे आपके पेशेंट के बारे में या अबाउट द होल हॉस्पिटल थिंग, और फिर आप कहेंगे, आपका रिस्पॉन्स होगा, ओ शिट, ये तो मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था, ऐसा भी कुछ होता है. So you will be appearing like dumbstruck at that moment. So the fourth point, let's move to the fourth point, which is AIIMS Jammu campus. So basically AIIMS Jammu campus together, it's in 226 acres, which is I think it's a lot. And yes, the campus is really very beautiful and it's full of greenery. So बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Campus is the best thing I would say, and I enjoy a lot when I'm just roaming around or walking or jogging something. And we have a lot of facility, like we have mess facility, gym, and grocery stops and kind of things within the campus only. So campus is really very beautiful. So there's nothing worse about the campus. The campus is literally the epic part of the nursing from the AIIMS Jammu. Then the fifth point is friends. So it is the best part for me and it's the best point for me because like I have the 6 male friends and we have a small group of 6 friends and it's the best group, like it's like my second family. So it will be the best part. This was all about the AIIMS Jammu. You should know before joining it. So clinical postings and about the schedule, I have already told you that you will be having the sleepless nights, stress, burnout situation, clinical postings. And if you found this video informative, then do like, subscribe my channel, that is Wings, and yes, comment me below that if about what next topic you want me to make any video, like about hostel rooms or whatever your doubt is, I'll be making that video. Okay, bye.